Hey everybody, I've had a lot of people asking me how to make my Almond Joys. So here's going to be a quick little video that's going to show you the recipe. I will post it down below. You're going to need 3 cans of Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk. I have 2 packages of the Baker's sweetened coconut. Don't get the unsweetened, get the small flakes. 2 bags of this. 2 pounds of powdered sugar, doesn't matter what kind. 2 sticks of butter melted. Mix that all together. You're gonna get a real sticky consistency. I don't know if you can see that, but you want it sticky. You don't want a dry consistency. You want it very sticky. You're just gonna come in and form your little bars. The best you can. After you put this in the refrigerator, you can kind of shape these a little bit better. And you're just gonna place a couple Almond Joys on there. 2, 3. And just continue laying this out. I put it on wax paper because it's a lot easier to get it off. And put these in the refrigerator, let them get nice and cold while your chocolate's heating, and then we'll dip them. Okay. After you get them all formed, these are going to be huge Almond Joys. All the nuts are on and they need to go into the refrigerator and cool down. My little lovely assistant and mister. Okay, we've had the Almond Joys formed in the refrigerator. I put them down in the freezer to get them a little more film or a little more firm. They got really thin. I used too much of that sweetened condensed milk. I would go down to 2.5 cans. And all you do is just get your chocolate melted in a double broiler. I like to use forks because you can wipe off that extra chocolate on the bottom and you don't have a big thick piece of chocolate that you bite into. If you don't have a double broiler at home, these things are a godsend when you're melting chocolate. Get a small one because you're melting these bags of chocolate in here, and if you get a big pan, you're trying to scoop up chocolate towards the end of the batch, and it's just easier the smaller the pan. All right, there you have it, guys. If you've got any questions, give me a call. If you got my number, if you don't, shoot me a message below, and Merry Christmas.